Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super helpful video today to any of you guys trying to find where the fuse for the rear camera is located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The rear camera fuses and relays, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra. Quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that generation GMC Sierra. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. What do we need to do? Open the hood. And when you guys open the hood, lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that most people are familiar with today. Most people know about this one. It's on the driver's side, okay, right here. So if you come in the corner facing the engine on the right side, remove that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. There is very limited information about the rear view camera fuses and relays. Some of the fuses that you may need to check is fuse 2829. It's very likely it's any of those, or fuse 38, because those supply the power to the rear, the tailgate, the tail lights as well guys. Right here, 2829 in this one. Now, another option for you don't have a relay. The relay part is practically controlled by the BCM. But another option is to check your BCM fuses. This is the body control module fuses. For any of you that do not know where the BCM fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel. Check these 3 fuses. If you still have problems, check the BCM fuses, and if that doesn't fix the problem, we have a video that explains why rear view camera doesn't work as well. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.